Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered what hidden business gems could make you a fortune right in your city? Today, we're uncovering 10 profitable business ideas that haven't hit your local market yet. These are the concepts that are thriving elsewhere, just waiting for someone like you to bring them to life. So if you're ready to discover your next big opportunity and get ahead of the competition, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. First up on our list, let's dive into a tasty and sustainable trend gaining momentum worldwide: vegan burger joints. Imagine opening a fast food restaurant that caters exclusively to vegans, offering delicious, meat free alternatives that satisfy even the most diehard burger lovers. The concept is simple yet revolutionary. Provide fast food dishes that are entirely plant based, catering to the growing demand for vegan options. This innovative approach to fast food is already making waves in countries like Austria, Germany, and other parts of Europe. What's truly impressive is that these vegan burgers look and taste just like traditional meat burgers, making them an appealing choice for vegans and non-vegans alike. By focusing on high-quality ingredients and mouth-watering flavors, you can create a menu that's both healthy and indulgent. Opening a vegan burger joint not only taps into the expanding market of health-conscious and environmentally aware consumers, but also sets you apart in the fast food industry. As more people seek out plant-based dining options, your restaurant could become the go-to spot for delicious and guilt-free fast food. By bringing this trend to your city, you'll be at the forefront of a culinary revolution, offering an exciting and sustainable alternative to conventional fast food. Our next business idea takes advertising to the streets with screen vans. Imagine offering your customers a convenient and affordable way to get their message out no matter where they are. Here's how it works. Special vans equipped with high-quality LED screens drive around the city, delivering dynamic advertising content directly to the target audience. These mobile billboards can be positioned in high-traffic areas, events, or anywhere your clients want to capture attention. The key feature of this service is its flexibility and visibility. Unlike traditional static billboards, screen vans can reach multiple locations in a single day, maximizing exposure. This mobility allows businesses to target specific areas and demographics with precision. Clients have a range of opportunities to present their products in creative and engaging ways, from video ads and promotional messages to live streams and interactive content. The bright, high-resolution screens ensure that the ads are eye-catching and memorable. By offering this innovative advertising solution, you'll provide a service that's both effective and adaptable, catering to the needs of various businesses looking to enhance their visibility. Launching a screen van business could become a game changer in the advertising industry, providing a unique and impactful way for brands to connect with their audience. Next up, we have an exhilarating business idea: a racing simulator club. Imagine offering your customers the thrill of Formula One racing right in your city without the hefty price tag. The concept is to open a club equipped with state-of-the-art Formula One race car simulators. These simulators provide an immersive experience, allowing enthusiasts to feel the adrenaline rush of legendary races and step into the shoes of a race car driver. Your club can host both training sessions and competitive championships, making it an exciting venue for both beginners and seasoned racing fans. It's an affordable and accessible way for everyone to experience the high-speed world of Formula One racing. By creating a community around these simulators, you can attract a diverse clientele, from casual gamers and thrill seekers to serious racing aficionados. The realistic experience and competitive environment will keep customers coming back for more, eager to improve their skills and compete for top spots on your club's leaderboard. This racing simulator club could become the go-to destination for entertainment and competition, offering a unique and high-octane experience that stands out in the market. Get ready to bring the excitement of Formula One racing to your city and watch your business zoom to success. Next on our list is a business idea that fuses fitness with the electrifying atmosphere of a nightclub. Imagine working out to the beat of high-energy music, surrounded by dazzling lights and a vibrant crowd. Welcome to fitness in a nightclub setting. The concept is simple yet revolutionary. Transform a nightclub into a fitness haven where customers can participate in group sports training and personal workouts, all while soaking in the positive vibes of a nightclub environment. These fitness parties offer a unique way to stay in shape and mentally unwind after a hard day's work. The best part? These fitness sessions can be organized during the daytime, utilizing the nightclub space when it's typically unused. Picture this: high-intensity interval training, Zumba, or yoga sessions with a DJ spinning energetic tunes, creating an atmosphere that's both invigorating and relaxing. By combining physical fitness with the dynamic ambiance of a nightclub, you'll offer a refreshing alternative to traditional gyms. It's a fun, engaging way to attract a diverse clientele who are looking to stay fit while enjoying a party-like experience. This innovative approach to fitness can transform the way people work out and make your business the hottest new trend in town. Our next business idea brings innovation to waste management. A vehicle equipped with a roller for garbage disposal. Imagine a more efficient and environmentally friendly way to handle waste collection, reducing both costs and time. Here's how it works. Specialized vehicles fitted with powerful rollers compact garbage on site, significantly reducing its volume. This means fewer trips to the landfill, lower fuel consumption, and a faster, more cost-effective service. And this business model isn't just about efficiency. It's about providing top-notch waste management services to both commercial and private clients. With this advanced equipment, you can offer a competitive edge in the market, attracting clients who prioritize eco-friendly and efficient solutions. The potential for growth is enormous. As more businesses and households seek sustainable waste management options, your company can quickly expand its reach and impact. By combining cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility, you'll set a new standard in the waste management industry. Next up is a cutting-edge business idea that combines technology with comfort, stores equipped with 3D scanners for custom footwear fitting. Imagine offering your customers a revolutionary shopping experience where their shoes fit perfectly every time. Here's how it works. These specialized stores feature state-of-the-art 3D scanners that create precise three-dimensional models of customers' feet. This technology ensures that every pair of shoes is tailored to fit their unique foot shape, providing unmatched comfort and support. This professional, personalized approach not only attracts first-time buyers, but also turns them into loyal, repeat customers. Your store can offer a wide range of products, from shoes and sportswear to socks, insoles, therapy products, and even electronic gadgets for sports enthusiasts. By integrating 3D scanning technology into your business, you'll set yourself apart from traditional shoe stores and tap into a market of customers seeking perfect fit and comfort. This innovative concept could become the go-to destination for anyone looking to enhance their footwear experience. Next up is a fresh and healthy trend that's taking the world by storm: acai bowls. Imagine opening a vibrant health food outlet where the star of the show is the delicious and nutrient-packed acai bowl. But what exactly is an acai bowl, you ask? Acai bowls are filled with acai berries, which are small, nutrient-dense fruits that grow in Brazil. These little powerhouses are packed with amino acids and antioxidants, making them a superfood sensation. What makes acai bowls so appealing is their versatility. They're a popular choice for breakfast, but can be enjoyed any time of the day. Picture a bowl brimming with a colorful assortment of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, all customizable to your customers' preferences. Whether they want a boost of protein, a shot of antioxidants, or just a delicious and healthy treat, acai bowls offer endless possibilities. By tapping into this growing trend, you can offer a unique and desirable product that stands out in the health food market. Plus, with the increasing demand for nutritious and customizable meals, your acai bowl business could be the next big hit in your city. Our next business idea is both enchanting and unique: a butterfly house. Imagine creating a specially designed, publicly accessible ecosystem that mimics the natural conditions for exotic butterflies to thrive. Visitors can marvel at the most beautiful butterfly species from around the world, some with wingspans reaching up to 20 centimeters. Stepping into this paradise, people are transported to another world, leaving their worries behind as they watch these delicate creatures flutter around. The magic of a butterfly house lies in its ability to captivate and soothe, making it a profitable and well monetized venture. The best part? This business model is incredibly versatile and can be implemented in almost any commercial space, anywhere in the world, regardless of the local climate and weather conditions. By offering a tranquil and mesmerizing escape, a butterfly house appeals to a wide range of visitors, from families and tourists to nature enthusiasts and school groups. This unique attraction not only provides an unforgettable experience, but also fosters an appreciation for nature and conservation. Setting up a butterfly house in your city could become a beloved local attraction, drawing in crowds and generating steady revenue year-round. It's a business that combines beauty, education, and relaxation, creating a sanctuary that everyone will want to visit. Now, let's talk about a business idea that transforms the way we think about home renovations: quick and convenient wall painting services. Imagine making home improvement as effortless and discreet as possible for your clients. Here's how it works. People leave for work in the morning without having to lift a finger, not even taking the dishes off the table. Then, a professional team arrives, carefully covers everything with sheets, and gets to work painting. By the time the owners return in the evening, they find their home looking refreshed with a new coat of paint, without any of the usual hassle. If the project is too large to complete in a single day, no problem. The team ensures everything is cleaned up and put back in order before the owners come home, ready to resume work the next morning. This approach minimizes disruption and makes the entire process seamless and stress-free. By offering a service that prioritizes convenience and efficiency, you can attract a wide range of customers, from busy professionals to families looking to update their living spaces without the usual inconvenience. This innovative approach to painting services not only sets you apart from traditional methods, but also creates a high-demand niche in the home improvement market. Launching a quick and convenient wall painting service could revolutionize how people view home renovations, providing a hassle-free solution that everyone will love. Now, let's talk about a business idea that's as fun as it is delicious: an ice cream shop that uses liquid nitrogen to create unforgettable treats. Imagine combining all the colorful, tasty things kids love: ice cream, nitro shakes, cotton candy, and popcorn into one exciting place. Here's the magic. Customers get to choose the base, texture, and toppings for their ice cream, which is then prepared right before their eyes using liquid nitrogen. The dramatic clouds of nitrogen vapor create a mesmerizing show that delights both kids and adults alike. But the fun doesn't stop there. This business model also includes mobile events with a show program for children's parties and events. Imagine bringing the excitement to birthday parties, school events, and community gatherings. These shows feature an educational segment about liquid nitrogen, complete with cool experiments, and of course, the preparation of liquid nitrogen ice cream and nitro shakes. By offering a unique and interactive experience, you'll create a buzz in your community and keep customers coming back for more. This ice cream show with liquid nitrogen is not just a treat. It's an unforgettable experience that kids will be talking about long after the event ends. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through 10 profitable business ideas that could transform your city. We hope you found some inspiration and maybe even your next big venture. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve with more innovative business ideas and tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. We're constantly bringing you fresh content to help you succeed in the world of entrepreneurship. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who might be looking for their next business opportunity. Drop us a comment below and let us know which idea was your favorite, or if there's a business concept you'd like us to explore next. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and turning those dreams into reality. See you in the next video.